You know what's worse than being overweight? Losing all the weight only to put it back on again. No. Wait. And I've seen so many clients do this over and over again. And if you're watching this video, I guarantee you've experienced this as well. You finish a diet, best shape of your life. The photos look great. The clothes fit phenomenally again. Everybody is complimenting you.
So hot right now.
Life is good. Then 6 months later, they're looking for another program. And the crazy thing is, they don't even know what happened. So in this video, I want to explain exactly why this happens, and most importantly, how to make sure you never have to start over again. Now, here's the thing. Most people think losing weight is the hard part. It really isn't. Keeping it off is. Because anybody can be disciplined for 8 weeks, 12 weeks, anybody can survive a diet for a short period of time. The challenge really is what happens after. This is why most people start drifting away. Nobody regains 10 kilos overnight. Impossible. Nobody wakes up on a Monday morning suddenly becomes overweight again. It happens exactly the same way fat loss happens. Small actions, repeated over time. The walks disappear. The gym goes from 4 sessions to 3 sessions to maybe 1 a week, and it's just not consistent. Meal preparation becomes less frequent. Weekends become a little looser because you think you've got everything under control. And because none of these things seem like they're a big deal individually anymore. You don't notice things that are happening until one day you look in the mirror and think, what the hell happened here? It didn't come from nowhere. You slowly drifted back into the habits that got you there in the first place. And this is why maintenance is so important. The first thing I tell clients is simple. Keep moving. Movements. I don't care what it is. Walking, boxing, jiu-jitsu, high rocks, golf, chasing your kids around the park. I don't care. Just keep moving. For me and for a lot of my clients, 10,000 steps per day is the biggest game changer for maintaining results. Not because it's magic, because it keeps your activity levels high without feeling like you're dieting. Most people will finish a diet and their activity falls off a cliff. And then they wonder why the weight starts creeping back up again. The second thing I want you to do is start weighing yourself again. Not every day, do not become obsessed. I know so many of you out there will be so obsessed with the scale if it's going up or down. Don't do that. It is just our tool. Once per week is fine, Sunday, Saturday, whatever day suits you. Think of it like checking your bank account. If you never checked your bank account, eventually you're going to get a nasty surprise. The scales work the exact same way. If your weight starts creeping up too fast, you've caught it early. You can start making simple adjustments, clean up the diet, add more exercise in, activity goes up, things like that. So please just weigh yourself once a week so you can just catch things in case they're going out of control. The third thing is structure, not a diet structure, life structure. You don't need to be eating chicken and broccoli every day of the week. You're not a bodybuilder. If you are a bodybuilder, that's fine. You just need to have more structure in your life. Know when you're training, know when you're going to go for a walk, know what habits you need to keep on track of, because when everything becomes random, your results become random too. And the final thing I want you to understand, the goal isn't to stay absolutely shredded all year round. Most people cannot do that. It is not healthy. Most people shouldn't do that either. The goal is to stay lean and staying looking good, healthy, strong, energetic, confident all year round, because constantly bulking up, feeling uncomfortable, then crash diet again is a terrible cycle. I've seen people spend years doing it. Diet, lose weight, gain it back, start again, repeat. The people who get the best long-term results do not do that. They build habits they can actually maintain. And that's really the point of this entire video. The goal isn't about getting in shape. The goal is becoming the person who stays in shape. Because once you figure that out, you'll never have to start over again. So thank you so much for making it this far into the video. Honestly, I genuinely do appreciate every single person who watches these videos, because the whole goal of Gym 101 is simple. Help as many people as possible cut through all this fitness BS that's out there from all these fake fitness influencers and young 16-year-olds who think they're coaches. So if you're looking for a place to start, send me a message on Instagram. I've put together a completely free Warrior 45 program that includes nutrition, meal planning, everything a beginner will need. There is no catches here, there is no gimmicks. It's just a simple plan that works, and I want you to get the best results in your fitness journey. So thanks guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.